Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to pass text into an image in Photoshop or anywhere. First of all, copy text anywhere. Example, I select this text, press Ctrl C on your keyboard or copy this. Again, open Photoshop, then select text, type horizontal type tool, then click, then press Ctrl V or paste this text. Now see this, use high quality text, high quality, simply select image, go to image, tap image size and resolution 300 up to and now we can see this Ctrl T. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.